Now let's see an example. So on this example, there are 11 number of pages and page stream. We have a sequence number of page stream 3, 7, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, and 5. So now let's see how the clock algorithm works. First, the arrow pointer was pointing to the first frame. So 3 will be placed in the first frame with use bit, and the arrow pointer will move to the second frame. Now 7 will be executed. 7 will be placed on the second frame, and 7 will have the use bit. Now the arrow pointer will move to the third frame. Then 5 will be executed. So 5 will be placed on the third frame with a use bit. Now the arrow pointer will be pointing again to the first frame. Then 6 will be executed. But 6 cannot replace 3 because it has the use bit. So here is the important part. At first, the arrow pointer point to 3 that has the use bit. When it has the use bit, it cannot be replaced. So what will happen next is arrow pointer will move to the next frame pointing to 7, and 7 will lose the use bit. Since 7 has the use bit, it cannot be replaced. Then the arrow pointer will move to the next frame pointing to 5. So 7 will lose its use bit. 5 also has the use bit. Then it cannot be replaced with 6. So the arrow pointer will move again to the first frame pointing to 3. Now 3 doesn't have the use bit. So it will be replaced with 6. And then the arrow pointer will be pointing to the next frame. Now you notice that on page 5, the page stream is 5 and the arrow pointer pointing to 9, but 5 already in the third frame. So what will happen is 5 will get again the use bit and the arrow pointer will not move. Now we go to number 4. 4 will replace 9 and the use bit is set and the arrow pointer will move to the next frame. Now the arrow pointer point to 5. So we go to the next page stream, which is 3. Here you can see all the frame has been occupied and each of them has the use bit being set. So we repeat the same process like page stream 6 that we have discussed earlier. Pause this video and try to calculate by yourself and check if you get the same answer. For the next page stream 2, 2 will replace 6 and the use bit is set. Then the arrow pointer will move to the next frame. Now we go to the next page stream 4. 4 already in the frame, but it doesn't have the use bit. So we set the use bit and the arrow pointer will not move. Now the next page stream 3. 3 already in the frame and it also has the use bit. So nothing will happen and the arrow pointer will not move. Now let's see the last page stream, which is 5. Since all the frame has been occupied and each of them has the use bit, we need to repeat the same process again. The rule is, if an attempt to replace a frame with use bit, the frame will lose its use bit and the arrow pointer will move to the next frame. So that's all for clock replacement algorithm. I hope you understand this very well, and please share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.